In designing our revolutionary system, we started at one of the most critical anchor points of the structure, the brace used to hold the pool wall. Think of the I-brace as the backbone of the pool structure. Each panel interface will have a brace anchoring the wall when a pool system is built. The brace sits on a shelf created during excavation. Steel construction achieves that by using a metal adjustable A-frame. In typical steel construction, your pool deck rests on optional deck supports, and your walls are anchored to the earth through an A-frame that weighs under 10 pounds. It's easy to see how there will never be an issue with the I-brace. It's the most substantial brace available. It was patented by Concord and is our exclusive brace, and Concord holds the patent with Latham Pool products. Do it once, do it right.